So we can actually see how these algorithms are doing. You guys can watch the ones that I'm running. We also have a couple in here that other people are running. So for example, I don't know who Tropical Whitefish is, but they're running something. FL Beach Bean is running something. There's a bunch of people that have private stuff as well. But you can basically run your own algorithms on here as well. You can make them public so other people can see them if you want to do that. Or you can also make it private so other people don't see it, but you still get a lot out of it, right? So the way that you do that is you'd add your own bot here. You'd basically give it a name, whatever the name of the strategy is. I'll say test. Trading mode, is it paper or real money, to kind of just let us know, right? So let's say we'll choose paper. Here you could choose to do private or public, and then you give your bot a description, but you don't have to do that. And then when you hit add bot, it's going to give you this API key. And this API key you are now going to be able to use when you run your bot. So if you guys saw earlier TP screen, when you're running a bot in Replit, you're going to use this API key, and it's going to give you the ability to track your bot, right? So you'll be able to put it up on the BotSpot website if you want to make it public. If not, it'll simply be under My Bots, where you can look in here and you can see all the bots that you're running at a glance, see how they're all doing. And you also get emails every week basically telling you how your bots are doing. All right. So there we go. So here's, for example, a couple that I have in here, like Condor Spy 10 hasn't really done anything for a bit because it's been way too volatile. So it's stayed out of the market. Good job. It's a very smart idea for this bot. This one, Condor Spy 25, this one's up 3% for me in the past 30 days. Again, stop trading. And you can basically go through all these and I could see all the different bots that I'm running and whatnot. All right. Okay. I can click into them as well and I can see more details. So for example, this one, I click into here. I could see the return over a longer time period. I can see the graph of it, how it did versus the benchmark. This thing is annihilating the benchmark. You can see the positions that it owns. You see here that it actually does not own this currently. I think there's some sort of a bug that we need to fix there. But normally you can see the positions of everything that it owns. You can get your API key here too, in case you lost it or something. You could delete your bot. This is only bots that you own. You can get an API key. You can delete them. You could rename them, right? And you can change them paper trading or not paper trading. So all that kind of stuff you could do within BotSpot, right? So monitoring algorithms is a big part of what BotSpot can do. And actually, that's the first thing it ever did, right? The first thing that BotSpot ever was created to do was to monitor algorithms, right? So we could show them off. People could see how they're doing, that sort of thing. But we also intend to make this a very social thing so everyone can kind of share algorithms with each other and make them better over time, that sort of thing.